Oklahoma, Oklahoma, I-E-I-E-O-E. Is it recording? This is the worst video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a very interesting project. I'm gonna try to do something that I have not done before. We're gonna play with a lawnmower blade. This got bent and it was given to me, and so I'm gonna try to make a knife out of this. I'll probably cut it off somewhere in the middle. I'm gonna try to keep this blade, but I'm gonna have to reforge all this.
Do some blacksmith stuff.
So I've got the forge heating up. I've got my anvil ready. It's you know, like this big. So yeah, we'll see. This might not work at all. I'm not sure what kind of shape or design, or I really have no idea what I'm doing. Right now I'm just trying to get a flat piece of metal out of it. Okay, so yesterday I took a lawnmower blade and forged it, flattened it out, and cut it in half. And tossed one half over there. This is what I have. It's nice and flat, but it's really, really chunky. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the original blade from the lawnmower. What I was thinking about is maybe like a chopper to chop stuff. That's why it's called a chopper. So I need to do some work on the handle portion of the tang. I'm gonna cut some of this material away because it's just too much, and yeah, do some grinding. So that's the plan. Okay.
To know what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
So the knife has been forged, flattened, straightened, heat treated it, tempered it, and affixed the handle. So this is where we are so far. This is what our knife looks like. So we're gonna do some work on the handle. We're gonna get this nice and sharpened to a razor's edge, and then go from there, yeah. All right, I think I'm done. with this project. I'll probably put a little oil on the handle and take a few pictures after I get done filming this, but this is all I'm gonna do. I think this is my cleaver that I made out of a lawnmower blade. There's the handle. I got 2 pins in there and a lanyard hole. I'll put something through there, maybe some paracord or something. It's super sharp. See if I can demonstrate that. Pretty cool. So, yeah, this was a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna use this in the kitchen. Cut this lawnmower blade in half. So here's the other half. So maybe I'll make another one. Yeah. If somebody wants one, let me know. I'll make one for you. I don't know, I could probably do something really similar to this right here for 75 or 80 bucks. So give me a shout, let me know. Thanks for watching Double Edge Designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace!